So how can I, as a business and as a product, how can we appeal to the masses? And in all honesty, in our opinion, in my opinion, and in what I've seen previously, the only way to do that is by having these conversations, number one, confronting the issue head on. Okay, I can see that there's a bit of resistance. I can see that there's fear. And also recognizing that if we're on the other side, we might just feel the same way. Because I know in both of our lives, there are probably AIs and automations we could use, but we like to do things the old school way. I think your notepad and pen and my iPad, which I still write on, shows us that not everything should be and can be automated.
Yeah.
But now here's the big but. Not everything should be and can be automated, but where there is scope to have clarity, where there is scope to realign, and where there is scope to do things more efficiently for greater purpose, to spend more time on things that we love, then I think the user case is there.